This is a quick video review of the holster that I received from Simon Davidson, a leather worker based in the UK. It's for a Leatherman Sidekick, which I have here, and that's great too. Use that all the time, carry and work. Which I'll touch on later. This it's custom made for the Sidekick, so you can see it's nicely finished, proper hard wearing leather that's riveted together. Belt loop there fits onto a 2-inch belt with a little bit of wiggle room to spare, which is great. See now the Sidekick fits in there nice and snug and clips over easily. It's very discreet. I work in an office. I've been using this now for 2 weeks or so. It does get knocked about off warehouse racking and tools and bits and pieces in the factory where I do work. But this sits very nicely and discreetly on my right side on the belt. It's actually replacing this, which is a company called Ripoff, based in the States. I've used this for many years. It was pretty good, but basically it was only bought because it fitted the Leatherman and a flashlight that I had at the time, but not at the same time. There's that. So slots in there quite neatly. But the downside is you can see this metal clip. It's 3 materials. It's ripstop, Cordura type stuff out here. Leather patch on the back with a metal clip. But the clip actually comes out. It slides out, and it wouldn't be the first time that the clip was left on my belt, but the pouch fell off. Whereas the leather is made of the same materials. It's pretty much designed as a one-piece unit, and it doesn't fall off. If it falls off, the belt is going with it. There is a nice little finger groove there, which lets you basically give the Leatherman a quick nudge and give you a better purchase on it with the rest of your hands. So you can operate it completely one-handed, which is good, and it fits the Leatherman with the clip on it. Occasionally I do like to carry this just in like my jeans or whatever, and that fits on with the pocket clip for a bit of security. But absolutely fantastic bit of kit. You'd need to get in touch directly with them, and a nice bit of embossing on the back says, hopefully we can catch that, made in England, DL, Davidson Leather, and the company logo. So thank you very much for the pouch, Simon. It's very greatly appreciated. And let's just get rid of that. Give you a quick all around view of it there. And as I say, this has been used and used hard for a week or two. You can see it's still in really excellent shape. Oh yeah, also the finger holder here. It will eliminate any sort of vacuum type effect that you get when trying to remove the tool. Also, if it's wet, if you're working outside or whatever, and you get the multi tool wet, it gives a place for the water to run out, which is pretty good. So there we go. Thank you very much.